I'm going to tell you why your credit repair isn't working and what you need to do about it. When you're disputing something on your credit, you're going to send them a dispute letter, right? You're going to send that to Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Now, in order for them to remove something and actually delete it, it has to be proven to be inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable. Those are one of the three things that they have to prove. Now, here's the thing about this. They know that if they can't prove that something's accurate or it's complete or verifiable, then they have to delete it, okay? Most people think that they're the ones that are going and researching Equifax and Experian, looking up all this information, but they're not. They're seeing what you want to dispute, and they're going to the secondary bureaus. Those are CoreLogic, LexisNexis, ARS, and Innovis, and they're asking them to provide that proof. So once they provide that proof, they funnel it back up, Equifax, Experian, they funnel it back up and they let you know that, hey, it was verifiable, we're keeping it on your credit. So what can you do? You have to place a security freeze on the secondary bureaus. Once you do that, they can't provide information to these three, then the information is gonna prove to be inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable. That's the big one. And now they have to delete it. You'll get a letter that is deleted and clean off your credit. If you need to know how to place that security freeze, make sure that you follow me because I'm going to do that in a future video.